Hi, welcome back to KnowHow. In this video, we are going to learn a very effective and easy method of calculating total hours worked. I will explain this in a step-by-step process, so don't skip this video and watch it till end.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
Whether you are a freelancer, a project manager, or simply curious about tracking your productivity, this video is going to be very useful for you, so let's get started. This is the template that I have created for the calculation of total hour worked. In this template, we have the days of the week, arrival time, departure time, and then here we have to apply the formula under hours worked. So I will write the formula. We will start our formula with equal, then we will write if bracket start. We will give the logical test as departure time is greater than the arrival time, then subtract the departure time from the arrival time. The second condition is that if this is not true, then again subtract the departure time from the arrival time and plus 1. We will close this bracket and press enter. Now we have to set the time format by going into the format cell option. So under the home tab we have the format cell option over here. I will click in the bottom right corner in this arrow and this format cell option will open. Here I will go to the time and select second option and then press OK. So now you can see that from the 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. 12 hours are calculated. To apply this formula, I am going to drag this formula to the rest of the week days. Now you can see that the total numbers of hours worked per day is calculated in front of them. Now it's time to add them. So in this cell, I will write the formula of sum to add these hours. So you can see that I have added all these numbers and now it's time to format this cell. For this purpose, again I have to go to the home tab and in the home tab I will go to the format cell option and now I will go to the custom and under the custom I will select this format and then click OK. So now you can see that the total hours worked per day has been added in this cell as 46 hours and 15 minutes. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tutorials and tips. And as always, feel free to leave any question or suggestion in the comments below. Thank you for watching and until next time, goodbye.